Oh, just took a shower here in Hawaii. This is Coconut Island in the Big Island. It's just a little island off the Big Island. It's awesome. Feel great. Just found out that it's a very spiritual place too. And it's full of animals all around in the washes. Like you can see, there's like turtles everywhere. There's one. Beautiful turtle. Giant turtle. You're not allowed to touch them, but turtles are different. It's an endangered species. The green turtle. Endangered species. You're not allowed to feed her, touch her. So I'm just like recording it from my far away. Let me show you. See from far away. Beautiful. You just like, I think, live around here. Every time I come to the beach area, they're trying to get in the rock, but they can't. The lava rock. It's too big for them. Or some too sharp, too high, I think. But they still try every day. Beautiful, beautiful creature. The water's so clear you can see them. It's not easy to spot. You just have to be looking and be careful. Oh, there's dirt. Plastic or something. There she is. Let's see. Beautiful.